Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel, Level Up Your FP&A Skills. I'm your friend Sanjay Kumar and today I'm here with 6 basic skills to become a FP&A professional. So I'm going to share my personal experience and I'm going to tell you 6 basic skills which I believe would be helpful for you if you want to create your career in a FP&A world. So let's dive into. So the first skill according to me is the relationship between three financial statement. So you should know the relationship between three financial statement, that is P&L, profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow. For example, let's say that I bought a machinery. So I should be aware of where this one buying of machinery will hit in all three financial statements. Yes, so the first one will hit to my balance sheet asset side as my machinery will increase my asset side. Second, it would impact my cash. If I make the payment in cash, so that will reduce my cash from the balance sheet. If I take it on a loan, then that would be shown as a loan in the liability side of the balance sheet. And in cash flow, if I make it as a cash purchase, then it will be showing in my cash flow. And on the same way, when this machinery will be at the year end, I have to count the wear and tear of it, right? So at that time, the depreciation will hit to the P&L. So like this way, you should understand what would be the impact of one particular transaction and in which all statements, financial statements, it's going to hit. So this is called the relationship between the three financial statements and you should be aware of it. Another one skill that I believe is understanding of drivers. So when I say understanding of drivers, so it means you should be aware of what are the drivers behind whether it's a cost or a revenue. When we talk about a revenue, so the drivers can be the price of a product or the quantity of the product, because price multiply quantity, that's how we will get our revenue in a simple term. And the same way goes with the cost as well. Let's say direct material. So the quantity of input, the raw material that you purchase, will multiply with the rate, the per unit rate that you are paying for that raw material. That would be the cost driver for the material cost. So you should be having the understanding of the cost drivers, the drivers behind cost or revenue. Third thing is the knowledge of budgeting forecasting technique. So you should be aware about the different approaches of the budgeting and the different techniques that we use for forecasting our numbers. When you have these three skills, the fourth skill comes as a good knowledge of Excel. When you know that how your balance sheet, P&L and cash flow are interconnected and you have a good knowledge of Excel, you will be able to generate a good model, a good financial model. And the fourth skill, now we come to the some soft skills. In this soft skills, I have given the fifth place to collaborative working style. So according to me, when you are going to work in a FP&A profession, it is important that you work with people very closely. Because in FP&A world, you have to keep talking with the people to get the information, or to tell somebody the information which you gathered. Based on that, what output you have, that you also need to communicate. So you should be having both these styles, collaborative working style, so that you can easily talk with people, different departments, get the required inputs, and sometimes provide the inputs. And the same way goes with a good communicator. So you have to be a good communicator, which help you to deliver what you want to say. So these are the skills, according to me, which can help you to create your career in FP&A profession. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel, and we will meet you again in some other video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye.